everyone. In this video we'll be looking into how we can install Docker Compose and Docker plugin in our Ubuntu instances. Uh, in this tutorial basically I am using AWS instance. It can work on your local machine as well. We'll also be looking into how we can install and run Docker without using sudo commands. For our reference we'll be using the Docker Hub official documentation. I'll be sharing the link in the description as well. So let us begin. First of all, we need to set up the Docker's apt repository. For that we'll be copying and pasting this stuff. Let's hit enter. As it is going on, we can copy this as well, and such that our repository will be added to the source. As you can see, it is setting up everything. Now it is completed and we can paste this. Now once this is done, we will be installing our application. See, we will be using and installing Docker Community Edition, Docker CLI, container.io, Docker BuildX plugin and Docker Compose plugin. So we can simply copy it and paste it over here. Hit enter. Y for yes, and it will start installing it automatically. Now you can check that it has been installed, but if I try to write Docker images, it will say permission denied. But if I try to write sudo docker images, I'll get this. That means that we can't run it right now without using the sudo command. To do that, we'll be using the post installation steps for Docker, and here as you can see, these are the commands for that. We can copy and paste them. This will add a Docker group and it will add the user to the Docker group, the next command. So I'll paste it over here, and once that is done, last thing we need to do is this new group Docker. Yeah, and now if I try to run without using sudo, as you can see, I can run it. And if I try to pull the container docker run hello world, what it does is it goes to the Docker Hub and fetches the hello world. As you can see, unable to find image locally, pulling from library hello world, and this is the result you get, hello from Docker. And if we try docker psa, we can see that our container ID is this. Our image was hello world and its name is Jeremy, whatever it is. And to remove it, I'll use docker rm command and gen, hit enter, and docker images. So yeah, if you want to delete image as well, you can use the rmi command and hello world. Yes, now if you see docker images, there is nothing in that, and if you try to do psa also, nothing is there. So yeah, this was the tutorial. If you liked the video, please share, like and subscribe. I'll be uploading the videos continuously from now on.